Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide city on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything. And if you have any problem or any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile on the top right corner. Once you go over there, go to settings again and then go a bit down until you find the safety and privacy option, which is just below account. Once you go there, just go to location option. Now here it's written hide my city. So as you want to hide, just press over here and toggle the button on, and then you can hide your city from here. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.